Shaving off a little, a simple guide to understanding this phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we aim to make English learning accessible and fun for all. Today, we're diving into an interesting phrase that you might come across in everyday English conversations: shave off a little. Understanding phrases like these can really polish your English skills and help you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's get started and unravel the meaning and usage of this phrase together. When we hear the word shave, the first thing that might come to mind is the act of removing hair from the body with a razor. However, when used metaphorically in the phrase, shave off a little, it takes on a different meaning. This phrase is commonly used to describe the act of reducing or removing a small amount of something. It could be time, money, or any other quantity. The key here is the idea of a little, indicating that the reduction is slight or minor. To give you a better understanding, let's look at some examples where this phrase might be used. 1. Time management. If we take the shortcut through the park, we can shave off a little time from our commute. Here, it means reducing the amount of time it takes to get somewhere. 2. Budgeting. By choosing a less expensive brand, we can shave off a little from our grocery bill. In this context, it's about cutting down on costs or spending. 3. Cooking. If you slice the potatoes thinner, you can shave off a little cooking time. This implies reducing the duration required for cooking. Using shave off a little in your sentences can add a touch of finesse to your English. Here's how you can start incorporating it into your conversations. Identify situations where a small reduction is involved. Think of it as a more nuanced way to express reduce or decrease. Practice using it in different contexts, like planning, negotiating, or giving advice. Remember, the best way to master such phrases is by listening to native speakers use them in real-life situations and then practicing them yourself in conversations or writing. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, shave off a little. We hope this video has shed some light on how to understand and use this phrase effectively in your English communication. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to experiment with the language. English is full of such expressive phrases that can make your speech more colorful and engaging. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.